So today I'm answering the question, does the Logitech Astro A50 X gaming headset work with the Nintendo Switch? I actually didn't expect that it would, because on the box, as you can see, it advertises that it works with Xbox, PlayStation 5, PC and mobile, but makes no mention of Nintendo's console. So I thought, let's test this out. And I'm pleased to report that yes, it does. The easiest way to set this up is to have an HDMI connection going from your Nintendo Switch into the base station of the Astro A50 X, and you can either use the PS5 or the Xbox port on the base station, and then just make sure using the toggle button, the play sync button it's called, on the headset, select whichever connection you have the Nintendo Switch hooked into. And the great thing is you don't actually need to put in a USB cable into the Nintendo Switch, so just an HDMI cable will do that trick for you. And that's basically because the Nintendo Switch doesn't really have game chat in the way that the PlayStation and Xbox consoles do. There are some games that support it, but not in the same way. But what if the Nintendo Switch isn't docked? Well, there is actually still a way to get these working, and that is on the Nintendo Switch. Head down to the settings and go to Bluetooth audio, and when you're on Bluetooth audio, head to add device, put the headset into pairing mode, and to do that we just hold the Bluetooth button down for 3 seconds. That will start putting a flashing light on the base station itself, and then it will show up as an audio device on the Nintendo Switch. The only thing with this method to remember is that the Bluetooth connection is to your base station, not to your headset, so you won't be able to take your Nintendo Switch console too far away from the base station before it loses that connection. But ultimately, the answer to the question is absolutely yes. The A50X and the Nintendo Switch can be paired together for that fantastic audio that you get with this gaming headset, and that probably means that other devices that aren't PlayStation, Xbox, PC or mobile also work with this base station, but I haven't tested those out. So thanks for stopping by, checking out the video, and hey, if you have a Nintendo Switch console and was thinking about whether it would work with this headset, well, I hope it helped.